to a new video. And today we are going on a trip to Wulai Waterfall. So you have two options to go there. You can stop here at Xindian MRT to get the bus, or you could also go to Taipei main station and get the bus there for an hour and a half. So here you can only get the bus like 40 minutes, so it's closer to Wulai. And let's see, I'm with my boyfriend, by the way, and he's already checking the bus. So we have to wait for at least 15 minutes for the bus to come. And from there we are gonna get, I think, a log cart to go to the Wulai Waterfall. But before we go to Wulai Waterfall, we have to pass the Wulai Old Street. So I'm gonna show you there once we already there. So see you guys. So I think this is the place where the bus stop to wait for the bus. Here, see. Did you, Anna? You saw it? So this is the line? There will be a lot of people.
I don't think so.
Wow, Bantaya, we're gonna see it. It's already almost 12, so we're gonna get some lunch there. Hopefully, good food. Have you been to Wulai?
Yeah.
With?
My family.
How long was it? How long ago? Long time?
3 years, 4 years.
Oh. Is it nice?
Yeah, I think so.
It'll be my first time going there. So I hope you already know how to go. You went there with by car. Right now we're gonna go by bus. Outfit check. So apparently the bus is always full because it's from Taipei main station and then it stops here, so it's always full. Now you have another option to go there. You could ride a taxi for 2 people, 300, and it's kind of good already because it's 40 minutes. So let's go. Here, let's just ride a taxi. We'll go. We are finally in Wulai. Oh my gosh, that's a long ride.
Yes.
I didn't like it. I just closed my eyes the whole time.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Yeah, this place looks very nice. But before we go to the waterfall, I think it's better to find some place to eat first.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry. It's already 1 p.m. Let's go. So here, I think there's like cafe and stuff. You can see there a lot of. Oh, there's even 7-Eleven. Okay, let's look. Let's search for food. Maybe this one. Oh no, this is the cart. You go up there.
The low cart.
Yeah, log cart.
Down there.
And that one will bring you to the waterfall.
Down there.
Here, there's a bridge. I don't know. I'm on this one. This goes to where? Check out. Oh, you already hear the water? Grabe, very small. Oh, buang. A lot of taxi going down the freaking. It's very nice. A lot of taxi waiting. It's quite busy. You said it's not busy. Let's show the. Wow.
Very nice. You can barbecue your fish over there.
Oh, I think that's the old street.
Not that one.
You think so? Look, it looks like an old. So this is where you stop better to be early, so you'll be at the first line. But in our case, we ride the taxi, and then here we are now. You can see there's the bridge and the river. And I'm so hungry. Nabayan na lang kami ngayon. Main attraction. That's the main attraction here. And also the area is very nice. It's quite cold. What's the temperature right now? Maybe 17
20.
degrees. Oh, 20. It's a good weather to go out. Okay, I'm so hungry, so let's find some food. I don't know what does it say. Maybe it opens at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
and it closes at 8 p.m. So this bridge goes to the Wulai Old Street, so we're gonna look food there. Gonna look for food. Are you hungry?
Are you asleep?
Come on. Oh yeah, there. Oh, the water is so pretty. Really?
I don't think so.
I saw it. There's fish there. I think you could see it. There. You see it? It's moving. It's cool. It's color. I don't know what color is it. Black.
Grayish.
There's even a big one.
Yeah. What do you want, cold or not?
Yeah,
cold?
Bingde.
Bingde.
Let's get an orange juice. So this is a kumkat and what? What is this?
It says something about like rice thing.
Rice? I've never seen this one.
I think it's the wrong translation.
Ano man ang name mo? That's only for me. What do you? Oh, do you have water?
I have water.
Okay. It's nice. It's fresh orange.
Beef? They have the Vietnamese fruit here.
Oh yeah, the red one.
I haven't seen them anywhere else before.
What is this?
I don't know the name. It's like
I already have my orange juice. It's very sweet. Tastes good. Very fresh. Now we have to find some food to partner this one.
but I'm sure
Yeah,
it's
looks like good. I don't know what is this. Really?
not. Yeah.
I don't know.
Mini bananas.
Cute bananas.
Ano ang mga uga-buga?
There's cute costumes for kids. Like tribe costumes. Wow, grabe na mga ano. Very old wooden shoes and then wooden slippers. It's like for fortune, right? You know your ano. Yeah, but it's souvenir shop. Let's go inside.
Sure.
Oh, this is for Finn.
Oh, but I don't think he does it anymore.
Really?
Well, sure.
It's really nice. Candies. Gummy. So in Wulai, there's also a lot of hot spring place. There's a lot of vegetables that I don't recognize. There's even a purple cauliflower. Oh no, what is it called? Cauliflower?
Yeah, I think it's cauliflower.
That one is so cool. So if you like hot springs, you should also come here. Other than going to Beito, there's a lot of places here.
It's a Catholic sanctuary.
I think it's, yeah, 500 each. It's, there's a Catholic sanctuary. That's why. That's what I. Really? Going up to buy the ticket now for the log cart and go to the waterfall. But have you tried the log cart when you went to?
No.
How did you go there then?
Park.
You can go there immediately.
Yeah, I think you go to that park.
It's quite an exercise. A lot of stairs. It's good because we just ate. There's still shops also here. Here, Wulai Station. Very cute one. So it looks like cart. A lot of people. Good luck. I think it will take an hour for us to go to the waterfall.
More than an hour. 2 hours at least.
Oh my goodness. So many people.
2 hours.
Really?
It's almost close to 2 hours.
Yeah, we will see. We are just in line. We've been waiting for almost how long? 15 minutes? Maybe 15.
Oh yeah.
So many people. And here's the ticket you need to buy. Like we bought 2 tickets, and then each ticket only costs 50 NTD. And there's like for special for kids, I think it's only costs like 30 NTD. Yeah. And it's almost our turn finally. This is the last line. People waiting there. A lot. We're just on time. We're so lucky. It's our turn. Yay! Esa lindo. Excited na ka? Hello? It sounds so guba. So loud. I could feel my legs vibrating.
Yeah, me too.
That was like a roller coaster ride. That was fun. It was so loud, and then oh my gosh, it was chaotic, but it's fun. And surprise, my back. There it is, the Wulai Waterfall. It's so high. It's so beautiful. Aman, babe, mag-ready na ka? Aman, so cold. Oh, fun fact. So, Wulai district, there's a tribe called Atayal tribe that's dwelling in this district, and you know why they name it Wulai, because it's from their term. It's an Atayal word. Wulai means like a hot spring. That's why they call it Wulai. It was an old log cart.
There's one there.
Very old.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's one over here.
Come on. Oh, we can see it. Another popular attraction after you visit the Wulai Waterfall. You could also ride up the mountain to go to the resort, and you could do the boat riding there. So if you want to ride a cable car, it will cost you at least 300 each person, and then the boat ride at least 120 NT, but we didn't go there because it's already almost late. It's already 4 p.m. So we just decided to come back to, yeah, because it's also full of people. So it's better if you go back early, or you go early so you don't have to wait for a lot of people. But yeah, I will show you some of the cable car that is close to Wulai Waterfall. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you're in Taiwan or if you're planning to visit Taiwan, you should definitely come to Wulai. Bye! Oh, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!